my age, maybe, or maybe younger. He's bouncing the ball, this small, like, tiny ball. And he's at the back of the platform, listening to music on his headphones, not really concentrating. I look at the clock, and it says 8:42. And I know that the
Right, lovely.
And
3, 2, 1, now.
so it's Saturday, and I'm on this train platform, and it's busy. Everyone's like packed, like jammed in. You know, it's early, like 29 or something.
2, 1.
And I'm on the way to work, and the air feels still, almost wet somehow. And I wouldn't want to be on this platform, because normally my mum, she gives me a lift, but since she went down, since she like split off, I'll be getting the train, and it's like my dad, and so I'm standing out on this platform, like for all these bodies that are way too close, somehow, too much, because I can feel them. And it's like one organism, one thing, moving, breathing, and with that type that I look to my left. And out the corner of my eye, I can see this boy, my age, maybe, or maybe younger. And he's bouncing this ball, this small ball, this tiny ball, he's at the back of the platform, listening to music on his headphones, not really concentrating. And I notice the clock, and it says 8:42. And I know the train is coming, but I can't see it. I get a feeling in my legs, like vibrating, like the air is changing on the platform, sort of sucking us. And I look to my right,
2, 1.
and there's a woman next to me, pointing to my yellow. She's moving us. She's moving away. She's a little bit. I don't think we think of it. This boy at the back still bouncing his ball, bouncing and catching. And I look at the clock, and it says 8:53. And the train is coming, and I can see the lights now, it's sort of pulling, and the feeling in my legs is stuck in my stomach. And the platform is getting ready, to fight, because we're all getting on. And the boy bounces his ball, and there's a sudden moment, this feeling where I know exactly what's going to happen, but it's too late.
Let's pause there. 3, 2, 1, now.
So it's Saturday, and I'm on this train platform, and it's busy. Everyone's like packed, like jammed in. You know, it's early, like 20 to 9 or something.
2, 1.
And I'm on the way to work, and the air feels still, almost wet somehow. And I wouldn't want to even be on this platform, because normally my mum, she gives me a lift, but since she went down, since we like split off, I've been getting the train, and I stay at my dad's, and so I'm standing out on this platform, like for all these bodies that are way too close, somehow, too much, because I can feel them. And it's like one organism, one thing, moving, breathing, and with that type that I look to my left. And out the corner of my eye, I can see this boy, my age, maybe, or maybe younger. And he's bouncing this ball, this small ball, this tiny ball, it's at the back of the platform, listening to music on his headphones, not really concentrating. And I look to the clock, and it says 8:42. And I know the train is coming, I can't see it. I get the feeling in my legs, like vibrating, like the air is changing on the platform, sort of sucking us. And I look to my right,
2, 1.
and there's a woman next to me. She's wearing these flowers, yellow. She's moving, like sort of pushing her away, just a little bit. I don't think you think of it. This boy at the back still bouncing his ball, bouncing and catching. And I look at the clock, and it says 8:53. and the feeling in my legs is stuck in my stomach. And the puppy was getting ready to fight, because we were all getting on. And the boy bounces his ball. And there's a sudden moment, this feeling where I know exactly what's going to, but it's too late.